Hi, my name is Haley Gilmour. I'm a mechanical engineer here at Germfree, and I'm going to give you a tour of our ABSL-3 heading to San Diego. Starting off in our entry room, there are a couple things I'd like to point out here. First being our pass-through autoclave that will allow users of the lab to pass through dirty materials, used animal cages, etc., and steam sterilize it in here, and then take the clean stuff out on this side. We also have a large hand washing sink to catch any drips coming from the autoclave. It's a steam cleaner. There's going to be a lot of steam generating there. And then also to wash hands and an eye wash station in case of emergency. Over here we also have our integrated BMS system that allows for temperature readouts, humidity readouts, and door access control. All sorts of features in the lab can all be accessed here and controlled by the end user. Moving along, now we have our ante room with a bench so people can don and doff PPE like booties, etc., and then some storage shelves here as well. And finally, we have our ABSL-3 lab space, fully outfitted with all of the equipment needed, including workstations, a negative 80-degree freezer, a fridge, a 4-foot and 6-foot BSC, and then all the way at the back here, we have our animal cages for the test subjects of the end users of this lab. So one of the really cool features of this trailer is it is our first time as Germfree, not only doing an ABSL-3 as opposed to just a standard BSL-3. It's also our first time putting a pass-through autoclave in the trailer, which presents its own challenges because it's a much bigger footprint than the standing autoclaves that we're used to putting in lab spaces. Additionally, it needs plumbed utilities, it's a larger electrical load, and we have to find a way to securely seal the pass-through to make sure that there's no air leakage between higher contamination and lower contamination space. This was a super fun project to work on. Like any other project, it starts as just an idea drafted on a flat sheet of paper, and I get to bring it to life in three-dimensional modeling and then watch it be built right from my desk. One of the coolest things when I was writing the manual for this trailer, I took screenshots from the 3D model, and then I decided that they looked kind of cheesy because I used high contrast colors for visibility in 3D modeling. Came out here and took pictures of the lab, and I got to see the side-by-side of what I had imagined and what it had become, which was a really interesting process for me. It's really rewarding to see a project progress from that flat sales idea drawing into more flushed out 2D ideas, into a 3D model, into being built 50 feet from my desk. As this is our first ABSL-3, I'm really excited to see what other sorts of new innovative opportunities we have upcoming in the future.